So in this question, you're asked to prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x times 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. So as you can see, you have tan 4x on the LHS and the RHS is completely made up of tan x's. So effectively you need to convert this 4x to x. So how do we do this? We apply multiple angle formulas sequentially. So tan 4x is equal to tan of 2 times 2x, right? And what is the formula for tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That is equal to 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square of 2x. So now 4x has become 2x by this step. Now I want it completely in terms of x. So I need to convert this 2x into x. So what I do is 2 times. So tan 2x is again 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan 2x whole square, that is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square whole square. So that is equal to, in the numerator you have 4 tan x. In the denominator, as you can see, you have 1 minus tan square x in the denominator here. If you take LCM, you have 1 minus tan square x whole square. So this whole square goes up. So you have 1 minus tan square x going up divided by, if you take the LCM here, you get 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 2 tan x whole square is 4 tan square x. That is equal to 4 tan x times 1 minus tan square x divided by, if you expand this a minus b whole square, you get a square plus b square, that is plus tan power 4x. You get minus 2 tan square x here, minus 4 tan square x. So I will get minus 6 tan square x. As you can see, this is what the RHS is. This is RHS, hence proved. Thank you.